how you can fix your Telegram bot not working. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up your app store and check if your Telegram is up to date. So let's just go and search for Telegram. After doing that, there you can see I don't have an update option available. That means my Telegram is up to date. Now after checking that, make sure that you go back to Telegram and try to use the bot again. But if it does not work, go to your settings, scroll down till you find General. Now under General, you will see iPhone storage. Tap on it and there you will need to find your Telegram. Now scroll down till you find Telegram. Here you go. So here what you'll need to do is you'll need to offload the app. Tap on offload, and after you've offloaded the app, just tap on reinstall, and after you've reinstalled it, you will be able to use your Telegram bot. And that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.